Welcome to this channel. In this particular tutorial, we will simulate the stabilized adjustable power supply using LT317A voltage regulator. In this particular circuit simulation, we use 10 volt supply with high frequency ripple. The ripple is intentional since the circuit is testing how well the regulator rejects the noise. The LTA31A is a programmable linear voltage regulator. The resistor R1 and R2 form a voltage divider. The LT1009 is a precision 2.5 voltage reference diode, much more accurate and low noise than internal reference of LT317A. Clean stable reference voltage at the bottom of R2, and the LT317 adjusts its output to keep its adjacent pin 1.25 volts above the lower end of R1. Since the resistor R1 is equal to R2, the divider ratio is 1, so output should be 5 volt DC. The main purpose of LT009 is to reduce output drift, improve accuracy, and improve ripple rejection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this has helped your learning purpose. I request you to like, share, and subscribe my channel below.